have it. The Insta360. What is it called? The Insta360. The Insta360 ONE RS. Oh, god damn, really? Insta360 ONE RS 1-inch 360 edition. Damn, really? How about Insta360? That works for me. So I've had this for about a week now, and I ain't gonna lie, it's been kind of fun. I'm pretty impressed. Pretty impressed. Not to mention that it's modular. Just pull this off. Oh, and then don't drop the freaking lens. That would be helpful. And it is kind of neat how it just pops apart like so. There's your SD card inside there, battery. I mean, it is kind of neat that it's modular. I can literally just run this endless. Get you a portable power bank. This thing will run forever. Cool cover. It's helped me several times. I've already hit the lenses a few times. I have, knock on wood, not scratched. Not even put a little ding or nothing in it because I've been keeping this on here like it's a little baby. The whole thing for me and the 360 is getting the unique shots. If I go travel somewhere, this is definitely coming with me. We're going down like the Vegas Strip and we're doing some weird ass shit. That's all I'm saying. But as far as, you know, the uniqueness compared to the Insta360 ONE RX2 or whatever that is, the one that I destroyed. You remember the one? Yeah, here it is. That one, and this is not a comparison, and by the way, this is not sponsored. I bought this. I paid almost $1,000 because I got the little adapter for the audio and the microphone thing and all that stuff with the extended warranty in case I drop it, because Lord knows I'm going to drop it. You just saw it. So I bought that. It was like $988, so I paid for this. Now, if I break this and if I muck up this lens and I send it in and get it fixed, I think you can get it fixed like 2 or 3 times, whatever it is. I don't even know. To be honest with you, I just bought it. And if it were me, I mean, I like the quality. I like the portability. I like all the things about it compared to the X2, whatever, the 360 X2 or whatever I destroyed at $400 and some, and this is like $799. Quality wise, yes, this is the one to go with. But as far as the uniqueness of this one compared to the X1 II, I would say no, because the only thing I found that's better on here is the quality. And to be honest with you, going from 5.7K to 6.1K, not really that big of a difference, to be honest with you. Yes, the bigger 1-inch sensor is better at night. That is one thing you will not get out of the other one, the X1 II or whatever it's called. You will not get that out of that sensor because it's not a 1-inch sensor. It won't let in that much light. So as far as letting in more light, quality, yes, this is the one. If you're going to do just the trick shots and the time warps and time lapses and things like that, then this, no. Save your money. Buy the X1 II, and it'll do the same thing, but you're going to save $300. For me, considering how I shoot everything 4K now, I got the GoPro that shoots 4K 60, got the 10 coming, 4K 120. Plans in the works for a Sony a7S III. That's 4K 120 max. I mean, I'm upgrading everything. And this, right now, is the best quality 360 camera that you can get. Period. That's all there is to it. Now, if you're not looking for quality, and you just, like I said, you want that uniqueness and time lapses and the time shifts and all that stuff, then by all means, get the X1 II and save yourself $300. If you are like me and going for quality everything, this little guy is it. So, I would appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up. If you got a kick out of this and this was helpful, please subscribe. I appreciate you stopping by, watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Oh.